my ground wire. And for no reason at all, the front comes out. I have no idea why I did this. I just wanted to.
This is Patrick with New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel here in Brooklyn, New York. Brooklyn Campervans at their block party. Really cool. Behind me, there is a Dodge Caravan with a high top on it that's fully kitted out into a custom camper van, and Dave is going to give us a tour. So join us.
Hey Patrick, I'm excited to show you my 2003 Dodge Campervan that I converted. You and your audience, come on in, let me show you. This is, again, this used to be an old mail van. So when I bought it in 2003, it was 47,000 miles, so didn't have to fix anything. What I did was, this is how I found out it was a Grand Caravan. I mean, the difference between a Grand Caravan and a Caravan, I cut this off a Grand Caravan and I put this on my Caravan and it stuck out like 18 inches. So I just told myself I was just gonna cut off the roof, raise it 18 inches and make it something different. I added a roof rack with some solar panels, storage underneath, tires up on top. And I'm 6'2", I can stand up in it, so. There we go. There's a little skylight. This is the only space where I can stand. If I didn't have this, if I wasn't able to stand up in it, I would not be living in here full time. Here we have we have the sink, the hot water heater behind here. Sorry, the hot water tank, 16 gallons of water. My cooler freezer combo. There we go. A little hidden storage down there. Got my more storage up here. So it's hard to get back there. So what I did was I put some storage in there and it flips out. So easily accessible, both sides. My camera system. So there we go. Lots of storage. My vent fan. I got all. So I'm still finishing the dash. So this van is a work in progress. All my lights, outside lights. My storage up here. I have cabinet doors to it, but haven't finished it. My subwoofers, need them. Really need them for the road trips. My fan that I clip on, and it helps during the summer when I sleep. Two windows, they open. Yeah, there we go. Definitely helps with the ventilation. And we have the storage down here where I keep my socks. There we go. And right there. So because this is such a small space, I just wanted maximum amount of storage. There we have some hidden storage in here. Some electronic goodies. My diesel heater, my Chinese diesel heater. My cooler. There we go. I use this the most. I rarely use that one back there. This always stays covered. If you look back here, I have some cubby holes back there, some more storage area, some hidden storage. And back here is my fuse box and all my electronics back here. We'll go back there and I'll show you. But before we do that, I'll fold out my bed. There we go. Oh man. So this is my rock and roll bed. This part sits 6 inches lower than the back. Before I cut the roof off, I had to do that so my head wouldn't rub up against the roof. All right, got the fuse box there. And this this solar system, this power system is like overkill for this size van, but I started off with this inverter, buying this, and then I had to get the components to make this work, right?
You got a lot going on here. You
I
got
do.
3,000 watt inverter.
Yes.
400 amp hours of battle-born lithium batteries, a Lynx distributor, a solar charge controller, and you got the smart DC to DC
Yes,
charger.
sir. And I upgraded the alternator in the front. So.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
And then you got more back here.
I have more back here. My amp. I have 2 amps. One is at home, yet to be installed. More pin storage.
And how big is that bed when it folds out? Because you're 6'2".
I'm 6'2". What is it? 76 inches?
All right, so you can fit.
Yeah, I can fit.
And everybody's going to ask, where's the mattress?
The mattress,
We're at an event here,
Yeah.
so just so everybody understands. He tried to take some stuff out here because the van's going to be unintended for a while.
Yeah,
So nothing gets missing, and also to make it more spacious.
that's right. That's correct. And I wanted to like fix it up a little bit. Let's see. Do I? Yes. It's my storage toilet, easily accessible. I've had so many emergencies where this like came in clutch in the van. My water jugs, I go fill them up and fill up my 16-gallon water tank. My garage, all my fluids for my car, and that's it.
And this is essential. It's important
Definitely.
to have one of these boxes on.
Definitely, and it swings out. No one messes with it. No, I've never had any trouble with like people trying to break into it or anything. Easily accessible.
And then for showers, what do? You have a gym membership? You just
I do have a
pop
gym
on?
membership, but I also have this. So this attaches to my sink. I can just shower outside. I've done it before, late at night. It's there. Here's my my charging outlet for, what is it, 30 amp?
So you go to a campground, you can
Yes,
plug
sir.
in, or someone's house, you can plug in and charge up those 400
Definitely.
amp hours of lithium batteries.
Definitely. There's so much weight on this car that I had to add more leaf springs to the van. So this has like a mean stance. It's really high on the back and low in the front.
And maybe some of the viewers are probably going to want more details on, is that power, that solar panel goes up and down by
It
power?
does. It does. We have 2 actuators. Here we go. Let me get my ground wire. And for no reason at all, the front comes out. I have no idea why I did this. I just wanted to. It opens up. I guess
Can you sit on it?
you can't sit on it. I think I wanted ease of access to the storage. That's what it was. Yeah.
And I'm going to try to climb up here on top
Yeah,
of
please.
this tire to look at it.
Is it possible? Or you can come
All right,
over
we're
here.
good.
Yeah.
So what you see up here is,
This is a storage area underneath the solar panel, and my skylight, where the only area I can actually stand up fully in. I have lights galore on the outside. My camera system.
and this rack is store bought. It's got
It's 80/20. I bought them 80/20. I cut them up and just put it together. It was a little too expensive, but everyone was doing it for the Sprinter vans, and I thought I'd use it for my my Dodge Caravan.
And you bought it already painted, or you painted it yourself?
It came black.
Okay.
It was already painted. I think it might have been an extra. So
Awesome.
Yes,
Well,
sir.
Dave, I appreciate you taking the time. This is a crazy event. There's lots of really cool rigs here.
Yes, sir.
We got a Vixen right next to us, and showcasing a Dodge Caravan with a high top, with a deck up top, with a massive solar panel. This is a first for the channel.
What it was is I needed a car when I went back home to Houston. I wasn't planning on this at all, but I started getting on the interwebs and looking up all the camper vans that were being built during the pandemic. And I took a chance and made it my own. So.
Awesome.
And actually, it was your channel too. I was watching your channel. So.
Well, I appreciate
Yes, sir.
the tour. This is Patrick with New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel. I'll see you soon.
All right, thank you.